Imagine that you're ill. You go to your doctor, and after a single test, they easily determine the most effective medication for you. This is the goal of precision medicine, to individualize treatment by identifying biomarkers, such as genetics, brain activity, or blood type, to determine prognoses and design treatments. And it's the future. But there are potential pitfalls. For instance, lifestyle choices could interfere with the accuracy of the biomarker that just helped select your treatment. This could be alcohol, marijuana, or even the caffeine that gets you through work. These substances all influence the body, particularly the brain, in various ways. So, if we plan to use biomarkers in clinical practice, our research needs to account for the impact of such behaviors. And that's what my research is about. My research focuses on individuals with schizophrenia. Antipsychotic drugs have been the primary medication for this disorder, but whether a patient responds to them is highly variable, leading to delays in effective treatment for a vulnerable population. That's why a major goal of schizophrenia researchers is to identify biomarkers that predict upfront who will benefit from antipsychotics versus those who won't. However, as my dissertation argues, it's crucial for us to keep in mind that schizophrenia patients use marijuana at nearly 5 times the rate of healthy individuals. But currently, efforts to identify accurate brain-based predictors of treatment have ignored the potential for marijuana to interfere with the utility of such markers, even though marijuana is known to influence key brain connections related to treatment. To investigate this, I worked with researchers at Northwell Health on an existing study that used brain MRIs to predict antipsychotic treatment response in adolescents and young adults experiencing their first episode of psychosis. I used interviews and urine screening to evaluate patient substance use throughout treatment and whether that impacted the accuracy of the MRI biomarkers being studied. The results provided evidence that there's a potential interaction between marijuana use and brain activity in regard to treatment response. Specifically, our ability to use the connectivity between brain regions to predict treatment outcomes differ depending on the amount of marijuana used by patients. While there was no difference in the effectiveness of treatment as a result of marijuana use, our research suggests that some types of biomarkers may not be as accurate for patients who use marijuana. These findings highlight the importance of accounting for marijuana in research to establish treatment predictors, especially as legalization makes access much easier. More broadly, our results underscore how critical it is for the medical community to consider how lifestyle factors like substance use impact the predictive accuracy of biomarkers. By incorporating individualized data such as this into biomarker development, we can work towards a future where successful precision medicine allows any person to leave a doctor's office assured that their personal characteristics and daily behaviors have all been accounted for in their medical care. Thank you.